We all want something new in our lives, whether it be more money, true love, a better career. And we all manifest things every day, but most of the time, it's done in a negative way. But it still works. How many people do you know that say, that was just my luck? Or, these things always happen to me? Or we use hope. I hope I get that new job. I hope I win the lottery. Yet, hope doesn't really offer anything. It just simply puts us in a mindset of scarcity. We hope because we don't have. We hope because we want change. And all this does is imply that we are without. What we don't always understand is that we are continuously manifesting things, and the universe doesn't care if it's good or if it's bad, it just is, and it delivers exactly what we ask for. In this meditation, you're going to use the power of your imagination and your emotion to create the reality that you desire. You will also practice gratitude and affirmations to align yourself with the vibration of abundance and attract what you want into your life. Welcome to this guided meditation for manifesting what you want. Use it every day and watch what happens. Watch as things start to turn around for you. And most importantly, try to stop manifesting things you don't want. Before we begin, make sure that you're in a comfortable and quiet place where you will not be disturbed. You can sit or you can lie, whichever feels more natural. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And relax your body and your mind as you breathe deeply and slowly. Now, bring your attention to your heart center, the area in the middle of your chest, and feel a warm and gentle light glowing in your heart, filling it with love, peace, and joy. This is the light of your true essence, your divine spark, your highest self. This light connects you to the source of all creation, the infinite intelligence that guides and supports you. As you focus on your heart light, imagine that it is expanding and radiating throughout your body, filling every cell with its healing and uplifting energy. Feel the light flowing through your veins and your muscles, your bones, your organs, your skin, your hair, and feel the light reaching every part of you from the top of your head right down to the tip of your toes. Now, imagine that this light is also expanding beyond your body, creating a protective bubble around you. This bubble is your personal energy field, your aura, your magnetism. It reflects who you are and what you attract into your life. And as you fill this bubble with your heart light, you are raising your vibration and aligning yourself with the frequency of abundance. And just take a moment to feel the sensation of being surrounded by this light. Notice how it makes you feel calm and confident and powerful. You are a creator being, a co-creator with the universe. You have the ability to manifest anything that you desire. Now, think of something that you want to manifest in your life. It can be anything that makes you happy and fulfilled. It can be a material object, a relationship, a career, health condition, or anything else that you can imagine. Just be as specific as possible about what you want. And as you think of what you want to manifest, visualize it right there in front of you as if it's already here. See it clearly in your mind's eye with as much detail as possible. Use all your senses. What does it look like? What does it feel like? What does it smell like? What does it sound like? Does it have a taste? And as you visualize what you want to manifest, also feel the emotion that it brings you. How do you feel when you have what you want? Do you feel happy, excited, grateful, relieved, peaceful? Whatever emotion you feel, amplify it and let it fill your whole being. Now, imagine that what you want to manifest is coming closer to you. It's moving towards you with the ease and grace, and it is drawn to you by the power of your attraction. It's yours by divine right. And as what you want to manifest comes closer to you, reach out and touch it with your hands. Feel its texture and its temperature. Hold it or hug it if possible. Just make contact with it and claim it as yours. Now, bring what you want to manifest close to your heart and thank the universe for bringing it to you. Say thank you right out loud or in your mind, but use sincerity and gratitude. Feel the appreciation for having what you want in your life. You can also say some affirmations that support your manifestation, like, I am worthy of receiving what I want. I am open and ready to receive what I want. I am grateful for having what I want in my life. I am enjoying having what I want in my life. I am attracting more of what I want into my life. Repeat these affirmations or any others that resonate with you as many times as you like. Now, gently release what you want to manifest from your hands and let it go right back to where it came from. And trust that it's on its way to you and that it will arrive at the perfect time and in the perfect way. Take another deep breath in and out and smile with joy and satisfaction. You have just completed a powerful manifestation meditation that has activated the law of attraction in your favor. You've planted the seed of your desire in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind and watered it with your emotion and your gratitude. You have also aligned yourself with the vibration of abundance and opened yourself up to receive whatever you want. Now, all you have to do is relax and let go. Trust the process and the timing of the universe, and know that what you want is already yours and that it will manifest in your physical reality whenever you're ready. As you end this meditation, bring your awareness back to your body and to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and your toes and stretch your limbs. And when you're ready, open your eyes and return to the present moment. Congratulations, you have just done a wonderful job of manifesting your desire. I hope you enjoyed this meditation and that it helps you create the life of your dreams. Thank you for listening and have a great day.